My experience at ASP has been different because the curriculum here is very hands-on and we take a very practical approach to learning.
The classes, they're more in depth, the work is harder, but it's not busy work. It's really focusing on what you might be doing with your future, and there's real life applications to every class.
The observational equipment for astronomy is incredible here. I mean, they have like 10 of these Dobsonian telescopes, which are really high-level telescopes for just like personal use, and the opportunity to use those at night in the field with some supervision from a teacher is something you don't really get in a high school experience.
The class size is much smaller, which leads to a lot of more engaging discussions, and you can really have great class chemistry with people.
And I have interns and teachers here that are passionate about what they teach.
It's just nice to be surrounded by people that are here not because they have to be, but because they chose to be and because they want to be here to learn.